5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Work. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
Forget the fad diets, the quick fixes, the lies. Real results come from dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to ignite your inner strength, your willpower to fight. High intensity, low impact.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Work.
With care, with Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll go far. That that's the goal you see. With Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll be free. Flatten that belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline you'll find. The key to success is right in your hands. With Coach Chaplet, you'll understand. Forget the fat diets, the quick fixes, the lies. Real results come from dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to
5,
your inner
4,
strength, your willpower to fight.
3,
High
2,
intensity,
1.
low impact, whatever
Rest.
your style, we'll conquer those challenges mile after mile. Listen to your body, fuel it with care. With Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll go far. Six-pack abs, that's the goal you see. With Coach Chaplet's guidance, you'll be free. Flatten that belly, sculpt your
5,
core, get the
4,
definition you've been
3,
yearning for.
2,
It's not about
1.
shortcuts, it's about
Work.
the grind. Consistency and discipline you'll find. The key to success is right in your hands. With Coach Chaplet, you'll understand. So time to move it, let's make a change. Together we'll conquer, then we'll rearrange. Embrace the journey, the sweat, the pain. You'll emerge stronger, a new you to gain. You to gain.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Five, 4, 3, 1. Work.
Coach Chaplet says find ways to fit exercise in your day. Make it convenient and you'll be on your way. Do activities you love. Make it fun with Coach Chaplet. Fitness is never done. Make it social. Get moving together. Breaking your routine. Get back on track. Don't ever keep
5,
track of
4,
progress. See how far
3,
you've come with Chaplet's
2,
guidance. You'll never
1.
succumb.
Rest.
Exercise is a simple, make it easy to reach. Accountability is key, Coach Chaplet will teach. Personalized routines tailored just for you. With rewards and goals, success will ensue. Music with Chaplet, push through the tough. Endurance and mentality,
5,
strong
4.
enough. With every workout, you will improve and grow. With Coach Chaplet,
Work.
success will show. Fitness challenges, member goals in sight. Progress track shining bright with Chaplet by your side. You'll never fall. Together, you'll conquer it all. Make it social, get moving together. Breaking your routine, get back on track. Don't ever keep track of progress. See how far you've come with Chaplet's guidance. You'll never succumb. Exercise accessible, make
4,
it easy to reach.
3,
Accountability is
2.
key, Coach Chaplet will teach.
Rest.
Personalized routines tailored just for you. With rewards and goals, success will ensue. Music with Chaplet, push through the tough. Endurance and mentality, strong enough. With every workout, you will improve and grow. With Coach Chaplet, success will show. show.
5, 4,
Music with
3,
chocolate, push through
2,
the tough endurance
1.
and mentality.
Work.
Strong enough with every workout. You will improve and grow with Coach Chaplet. Success will show. So join Coach Chaplet. Let's start today. Fitness and health, chocolate way. With music, motivation, you'll reach new heights. With Coach Chaplet, your future is bright.
Coach Chaplet says find ways to fit exercise in your day. Make it convenient and you'll be on your way. Do activities you love, make it
1.
fun.
Rest.
With Coach Chaplet, fitness is never done. Make it social, get moving together. Breaking your routine, get back on track, don't weather. Keep track of progress, see how far you've come. With Chaplet's guidance, you'll
5,
never succumb.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise accessible, make it easy to reach. Accountability is key, Coach Chaplet will teach. Personalized routines tailored just for you. With rewards and goals, success will ensue. Music with Chaplet, push through the tough. Endurance and mentality strong enough. With every workout, you'll improve and grow. With Coach Chaplet, success will show. With challenges, member goals in sight. Progress tracked, shining bright. With Chaplet by your side, you'll never fall. Together
2,
you'll conquer
1.
it all.
Rest.
Make it social, get moving together. Breaking your routine, get back on track, don't weather. Keep track of progress, see how far you've come. With Chaplet's guidance, you'll never succumb.
5,
So join Coach
4,
Chaplet, let's start
3,
today.
2,
Fitness
1.
and health, the
Work.
Chaplet way. With music and motivation, you'll reach new heights. With Coach Chaplet, your future is bright. So join Coach Chaplet, what's through today? Fitness and health, the Chaplet way. With music and motivation, you'll reach new heights. With Coach Chaplet, your
5,
future is bright.
4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
If you're looking to get fit, don't you fret. Coach Chaplet's here, you won't regret. Active on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Join Chaplet Gym Workout, let's make dreams come true. Coach Chaplet will guide you through to
5,
achieve your
4,
goals. He's here for
3,
you, whether
2,
you want to get fit
1.
or stay healthy.
Work.
Lose weight or gain, he'll make it easy. Impossible is not an option with Chaplet by your side. He'll push you to your limits, with him you'll glide. Every workout, every session, you'll feel the burn. But with Coach Chaplet, it's your turn to learn. Coach Chaplet will guide you through to achieve your goals. He's here for you, whether you want to get fit or stay healthy. Lose weight or gain, he'll make it easy. Together we'll conquer, together we'll rise. With Chaplet's motivation, reach for the skies. No challenge too big, no goal out of reach. With Coach
2,
Chaplet, lessons
1.
he'll teach.
Rest.
Coach Chaplet will guide you through to achieve your goals. He's here for you. And goals you'll keep. Remember, with Coach Chaplet,
5,
possible
4,
is the key.
3, 2,
Get fit, stay
1.
healthy.
Work.
With Chaplet, you'll see, you'll see. If you're looking to get fit, don't you fret. Coach Chaplet's here, you won't regret. Active on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Join Chaplet Gym Workout, let's make dreams come true. Coach Chaplet will guide you through
5, 4,
to
3,
achieve goals.
2,
He's here for
1.
you.
Rest.
Whether you
Great
want
work.
to get fit or stay healthy, lose weight or gain, you'll make it easy. Impossible is not an option with Chaplet by your side. He'll push you to your limits. With him you'll glide. Every workout, every session, you'll feel the